glacier up there. Also.
Yeah,
Could happen the same that's happened in
look
Philly.
guys, how beautiful this place. It's nice.
Well, it's quite a good Philly.
So, you're here.
C'est où c'est là? C'est là. Here the mountains they can fall, so people they know that already. Houses are not very far. So here, yes, some live more near. And they know that could happen. Something like what happened. Their village was buried through the rocks, and where is the telepheric for that? Occidentally. Et là, ouais, on verra ici, ouais.
Telepheric is there.
Where's téléphérique?
There.
Non, ça c'est les lignes électriques, c'est pas un téléphérique ça. Parce qu'il faut... De Hongrie, et donc c'est ma fille ça. Hein?
C'est pour toi si tu veux.
Occidentally Parking, voilà, ça va être là je pense.
Ok.
Je pense que c'est là.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Look, the mountain. So guys, we are here in our destination, and we will
je sais pas si
see.
c'est là ou plus loin.
And we will see the lake.
Mais best est...
Indiqué.
Sri Lanka ou...
So there's a snow here. There's a glacier there.
Ah ouais, si on prend, on aura des... Okay, look, help me to look for a park.
So guys, we are here in Skilshe. We're just going up there with the small telepheric here. Now we are going. There's a boot. Now we are here.
Also zweimal und
This
dann
is the
ja,
map.
weil hinunten gehen mit zu Fuß ist ja nicht lang. Ne?
Ist etwa eine Stunde.
Es war noch in Paris.
Ja, dann muss
This
ich
is
in
the
Normalpreis
mountain that we are going, and
Was
then
zweimal.
Ja,
Jetzt waren Sie beide?
zusammen. Ja.
the explanation, and then the map.
Ah, where am I?
We get our ticket, and it's 36 Swiss franc per person, and now we are going here. You can get this one. Now we are here. Oh, it's okay. Don't click anything. So guys, I'm here now and we are going to the mountain and we are going to the lake of Oiskinsen. Oiskinsen, I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm sorry. But we are going there and we are here now in the cable car Oiskinsen. Oiskinsen. And it's very difficult to pronounce, guys, bear me. And then now I'm here.
Bear you? Is that bear you?
Yes. So we are now going, and I will show you all the view here from there going to the mountain. And there's a camping car here.
Very small.
There. Okay, hold, just film me.
Oui, mais c'est long, hein, déjà. Les gens, ils vont s'endormir.
And click the picture one down.
Pauvre téléspectateur.
So guys, tignan ninyo. Gano'ng kaganda.
Il y a d'autres ratés là-bas.
Oui. Sila. So beautiful. Ang mahal lang guys, 36 na pera dito sa kanila. So ayun. So I showed you the view from down, and we are going to film the view up.
En fait, c'est Oshinen.
Oshinen. Okay, the
Oshinen.
pronunciation is Oshinen because it's difficult to pronounce. It's a German words. German word, not words. Okay, there. It's already it's already okay.
Okay. Bon.
So there. Take a
Allez.
picture.
Il n'y a pas besoin.
Non, parce que j'aime bien.
N'importe quoi. Allez.
Okay.
Il s'appelle Narcisse, celui qui filmait. Mon petit Narcisse.
I'm just happy, that's it. So ayun guys, makita natin yung view dito and then doon sa taas.
Not high season anymore. It's finished.
So guys, konti lang yung mga tao guys, kaya ayun.
It's in fact nice doing that during the weekdays and and not in the high season. It's really nice.
Because it's a lot of people, I think, when it's a high season.
Yes, and plus on the weekends also, of course, way more people. So.
Ganyan po ang teleferic dito.
So
Pinagtara na tayo.
if this glacier breaks down with the rocks, it gives the same thing as in the village then.
Okay.
So they're trying to secure here, but maybe they cannot secure 100% this year the village on here. If there's a big crack. Oh, glacier is not so big anymore, but
So dito sa kabila. So beautiful.
you see up here
Yeah, it's
the camera.
Yeah. If someone wants to jump, then they can be watching the.
No, you cannot
Operators.
jump. Where would you want to jump? Yeah, so here they can watch. They know exactly who did it.
Yeah. So very nice. So I recommend my friends, my Facebook friend, my family, my school friends, classmates, and co-nurses everywhere in the world. Please come in Switzerland and visit the beautiful country of Switzerland, and you will enjoy a lot of beautiful places because Switzerland have everything from the lake, from the mountain, from the river. It's all beautiful. You cannot see the ugly view here. It's all beautiful. So beautiful. The places that is beautiful to visit in Switzerland, it's in Valais, it's in Bern, it's in Zurich, it's in Geneva, Canton Uri, Schwyz, and a lot of cities to visit and a lot of canton to explore because Switzerland have a small country, but this country offers a lot of beautiful things to visit and to see.
Oh, il y a la luge d'été, tu te rappelles?
No, I don't like. Ah, they have
Ça,
also
c'est une
here.
petite, hein. Ça, c'est une petite.
So guys, we are almost there. Okay, we are going down here.
Big wheel here.
So we are going out now, and we will see. Guys, this is the lake that we are going to see. It's like this. Okay, we are here now. They have also a restaurant here. We will see there. That's a pizza snack.
Luge d'été.
Yeah.
Elle a peur, la dame là-bas, t'as vu? Elle avance pas.
Yes, it's like me before. So guys, we are going now directly to the lake so that we can have a time for us to eat also because it's already afternoon. So you can see the view here. It's so nice.
He said until 6, but that's okay.
So guys, we continue walking. We are going directly to the lake. Ang mahal ng nandun.
Ah,
Definitely.
ici.
Yes. So here. Just film me, it's okay.
Your fellows.
Okay, let's go.
Huh?
It's okay, it's okay.
Your fellows?
No?
I thought.
So guys, andito na tayo. Tignan niyo yung view dito.
C'est bon?
Oui,
C'est
c'est ça.
reconnu.
Il a dit...
Elle ne ressemblait pas. Oui, quelque chose c'était joli, mais. Ça, c'est d'espagnol. Je reconnais le mot. Mais elle parlait de moi, en fait. Hein.
So ayan guys, tignan
Yung
niyo yung view
Soraka.
dito.
Finalement. Donc, tout le monde va là, donc il doit être par là quelque part.
So before natin makikita yung lake, lalakarin ba natin siya? No. Guys, I don't know how to pronounce this lake, the place of this, the name of this place, Aiskinsensi. I don't know how to pronounce. I don't know why. C'est déjà filmé, juste marcher, je marche.
Allez, cours, cours, cours.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa Aiskinsensi.
En tout cas, ils viendront pas. Hein. C'est bon?
Ito yung place na pupuntahan natin ngayon. So far, so beautiful.
C'est bon?
You can ask.
Ah, peut-être par là. Hein. Non, ça va être indiqué.
So
Je pense
beautiful.
que les gens ils font le tour par là. On va voir. Je crois que c'est là.
So, hanapin natin yung lake kung saan siya, tapos
C'est Posta.
uwi na tayo.
Posta.
Yun.
Ah, Posta. Moi, j'aime bien ma petite laine. Ici.
So guys, 15 minutes lalakarin papunta doon sa lake. So ang weather is not so nice. It's very cloudy, but it's okay. Dami mga tao. Galing na sila doon sa lake, pauwi na sila. While tayo papunta pa lang tayo. Mini breeze. Yes. You're lucky because you're from here. You can access to your countries very, very well and you know it well. So guys, malapit na tayo. Tapos, pupunta na tayo sa lake. Ayan, ang glacier. Hindi yan natutunaw forever na yan, ganyan. Kasi nasa taas na siya ng temperature ng mountain. Kasi pag nasa mountain ka, kaya ng ganyang height, hindi na siya matutunaw forever na siya ganyan. Tapos yan. So malapit na tayo guys. Konting lakad na lang. Mararating na natin ang ating destination. So guys, malapit na. Konting lakad na lang. Ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung view. In a few minutes, we will arrive in our destination. We'll just walk a little bit and we will be there. Very respectful couple. They greet us. Guntag is good afternoon.
Non, c'est bonjour.
Ah, bonjour. Okay. They're still nice. They're greeting me. So, we're almost there. A little bit walk until we will arrive. So guys, dito guys, hindi siya ma-snow. Dito lang yung may snow. Sa taas. So, we are near now. So guys, malapit na talaga
Ils n'ont
tayo.
pas l'habitude, ils sont fatigués.
Yeah, so, malayo pa pala ang lalakarin natin. Lakad pa sa baba. So guys, we are still walking, going down. Didn't see yet the lake. Guys, we are here now. We saw the lake now. The lake is there. We go and then see. Wow! It's perfect.
Ah, les
It's
gens
so
qui
beautiful.
se font marrer, qui prennent le truc.
No, it's okay. It's their choice. They like that. They save time.
Mais pas comme t'es pas vieux.
Okay,
Va,
okay.
va.
So guys, we are here now. The lake now.
Oui, il est encore loin, hein, mais bon. Oui, il est loin encore. C'est bon?
So guys, we are here now. You can see the lake now, and the lake is there.
It's really in between the mountains. C'est
Yes.
comme un fer à cheval aussi ici. Hein?
Oui.
C'est comme le fer à cheval.
So we did a nice picture here, and we can see the view here. So here's the lake. The one that we are waiting for. We are here now. Let's go.
Ah, ici.
So now we are here now in the destinations that we want to see. And here a lot of people now. But this is the nice one. Here we go down.
Ah, il y a des gens qui font les bateaux.
Mhm.
Ok. C'est bon. Oui, c'est bon.